Scented brooms, you guys, they have two different scents. There's the cinnamon and the eucalyptus. If you're lucky to find these at Dollar Tree, you can definitely use these or any other kind of little brooms that you find for this project. I'm Vicky from the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Let's jump right in and see what I got going on.
A half a circle, and I cut out half a circle. This is just on, it's a little bit thicker than cardstock. It's almost like if you were going to use like a file folder or something like that, or um, poster board. Poster board. This could also be a poster board as well. Like I said, I did a half a circle. And what I did, since I've already been kind of playing with this one, is you fold it in half. Obviously, I do want that, but we want to kind of make it go over itself. And we want to make just, the whole point is we want to make a little cone shape. That's to cooperate like that. And we want to make the top as skinny as possible. And we're just going to tape this off because we don't want it to go anywhere. Like so. So now we have a little cone. Now you could also probably, if you don't have the paper or don't want to do this in paper, you could probably also do this. You could do it with if you wanted to make like a cone shape with foam, you could totally do that with foam as well. So basically we want to cover our cone shape, and where I cut right here is actually pretty good. And we're just going to take our scissors and just cut it off like so. And then we're also going to take, since it doesn't look like you could really use this, but we are anyways, we're going to undo whatever this is here. Easy peasy. And then we'll have more to work with. We're just going to use our tacky glue, and we're just going to glue the pieces to where they cup around. So we got our broom pieces on. I went ahead, this is our ball knob piece, and we're going to go ahead, we just filled this up with glue, stuck it on top there. We stuck a skewer inside our piece there so you could see our skewer in there, and that's just going to hold our piece to our head on there. So it's like it has its own little neck, and that's not going anywhere. So now we need to decide where we want the head to, or the face to be on this. I kind of want the face. Let's go with. I kind of want it to go with right here. Like that's going to be our face. It's going to be right here. It looks good. We're going to put. I got these wings, angel wings. These are from Temu, actually. But you can get these from pretty much anywhere. I've seen angel wings all over the place. You could just cut out your own soft felt. You could cut this out in cardboard and paint it. You know, you could kind of do whatever you want for wings. So I'm just kind of cheating a little bit because I already had these. So I'm kind of playing that use what you got game. All right, now I want arms for my little friend. I think we're just going to go with twine for arms. And we've got these little beads that we're going to use for hands. So once you get that threaded through there, I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to put some glue on the end of this. And we can decide how long we want her arms to be. Get right about here. Let's go ahead and do the other side too, just so that I can do match. All right, and now she's got little arms. Now, I glued together already, there was this, I had this package of dried baby rose bush, basically. I already glued some of them together. And we're going to put them right here in front of her. And then we're going to have her hands come up like they're holding it. Because we want her to look like she's holding the roses there. So let's get that in place. Right, and then I made a little mini bow. So she's got her little bow. Now the last thing I want to do is a halo, and I've got this wrapped wire cord, and I believe it was from Michaels. This comes in 3 different colors, or it comes in multiple colors, I should say. And I just picked my dark brown because it matches here, and I like that. So I just went and wrapped it around a couple times. And we're just stick that on her head, like so. All right, and there we go. We have our little broom angel. Super cute. If you really wanted to, you can put a hanger on her, and she could be an ornament for a Christmas tree or any kind of tree. Or if you want to just dangle her from like a bookcase or a lamp or anything like that, that would be super cute as well. Keep on coming back for more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.